If your foundation chain keeps ending up like this, let me help you. To begin, grab a medium weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Having a solid foundation chain is all about having proper yarn tension. And how do you do that, you might ask? So first we're going to start with a solid slip knot. So if you're a dominant right-hander, hold out your left index finger and let's wrap our yarn around our finger twice. Take that back piece of yarn and crisscross it over the front piece. Now take this new back piece and pull it over the front piece and over your finger so you're left with a loop that looks like this. Grab your crochet hook and just insert it into that loop. Now these two tails, pull on them until they're nice and tight and there is a knot at the base of your crochet hook. Now this is where it gets important. So hold your crochet hook however you comfortably would a pencil, okay? You want to be comfortable while you're crocheting. And with these ergonomic hooks, which I really recommend, they have a squishy handle. And if you look at the ergonomic hooks right here, do you see how it's a bit flat? It's made for your index finger. But whatever feels comfortable to you, that's what's most important. Then unravel some yarn and open up your left hand. Now, place the yarn in front of your pinky, behind your ring finger, in front of your middle finger, and then behind your index, so it looks like this. Now, with your middle finger and your thumb, let's grab onto that knot at the base of our crochet hook and jut out your index finger. So your hands should look just like this as you're about to start crocheting your foundation chain. So index finger sticking up, middle finger and thumb holding on to that knot at the base of your crochet hook, and then your fingers at the bottom, your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky, they're all just nice and snug, holding that yarn into place. And the yarn right here between your index finger and your middle finger and thumb, that should be nice and taut, because this is where you're going to be working from. And keeping your yarn in place like this is going to guarantee a nice even tension, and you're going to have a nice solid foundation chain. So now let's start making our very first stitch. So we're placing our crochet hook in front of the yarn with the head of the hook up, okay? Now once the yarn is on your crochet hook, turn that head down and then pull it right on through that loop. Okay, and that is stitch 1. Now before we make our next stitch, get in the habit of lifting your middle finger and thumb up the chain so your nails are right at the base of that crochet hook at all times. So let's make another stitch. Again, placing the yarn in front, the hook in front, scooping up the yarn, turning the crochet hook head down, pulling through. And again, my middle finger and my thumb are climbing up that chain. So just watch me do a couple. All right, let's take a look at what we have so far. So here's our foundation chain so far, and you can tell that my stitches are even, they're not too tight, they're not too loose, my chain is not twisting, so this is a great way to create your foundation chain, and it's letting you know that your yarn tension is on point. And that's it. Please let me know in the comments if this helped, and subscribe to watch my future tutorials.